In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can download Windows 11 ISO file. So let's get started. First, fire up your browser, go to google.com and type here download Windows 11 ISO. So simply just hit this keyword and you will see this first link, which is by microsoft.com, and click on this. I'll also link this link under my description for your easiness. So scroll down because we don't want to install Assistant or you don't want to create Windows installation media. So just drag down and find this ISO, and then you need to choose here multi-edition so that you are able to choose any kind of edition that you wanted to install on your PC. So hit on this download now. Now choose the language. So you can choose United States or English International. So I'm just going to use United States. Confirm. Then hit on 64-bit download and click on save. So this is saving the ISO file for you. Now you can see that it's downloading 6.3 GB of file on Windows 11 23H2. So this is how you should download. And if you guys wanted to know how you can flash the ISO file, click on this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.